Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we are on my car, and if you look up close you see this on me, and then if you look on my head, see there's glitter on the back of my head and the front, you can tell too. Okay, so let's go. Wow, it's a lovely day today. Okay, I'm in a perfect shade for you to see me. So here's this glitter on me, and then here's the head glitter. It goes all the way back into my spine, changing colors. And if you turn around, you'll see the rock one, and I'll touch it for you. I'm ready to see. Reveal. It's dry. The dryness. Now we're gonna back up. Let's go. Today we are playing Hello Neighbor. Oh, it's a lovely day today. Sure is bright. Wow, it sure is bright today. Wow. We're playing a different Hello Neighbor. It's really bright out today. It's called One Hello Neighbor. It's really good today. Selfie time. Real quick, I'm gonna take a selfie.
I took your glove right off your hand. Jump out of the way. Bye. Here, throw it now.
I see something. So. Can I see?
It's not.
Sure is a lovely day today. Let's go over to the lovely pumpkin patch. Okay, now that we parked, let's go. This is the pumpkin patch. This is the pumpkin patch welcoming party.
10 push-ups. Every time you miss the ball and not catch it,
Someone's laying in the sun. Okay. The door is the party, but I don't want to go in there. So, this is the welcoming. There's a chairs over here. And here is one of the pumpkins, pretty pumpkins, next to this flowers. They're supposed to be white mums. These are white mums, guys. These are yellow mums. Lovely day. Voila. Voila. Whoa. I know who I am. Fire. Well, it looks like I'm the first one. Let's see if anyone's here. I guess it's locked. one's here. So I will see you guys when I am on my tractor. I'll see you guys when I am on my tractor. Okay guys, I'm in my tractor. Now, it was a fun time here. So we are going to this fun place that has lots of mums. And it has that right there. And it has those. It's like that. And there's people playing catching the dog. I don't know who that is. And then there's that. And it would be the same as this, but a different place. So. This is my mom laying in the sun for something. Here. Here she is. Can you wave like this? I'll cover it. Can you wave like that?
Otherwise, it's 3 days without iPad. Every 10 push-ups, if you don't do it, is
Someone's saying go lay down for some reason. I can't stand the thunder. Who can be the one who's perfect in mine? Oh, I can stay to this tuned in every way. Okay, now what is going to me? Okay, guys, we are not here yet. I will see you guys when we are here.
down 20. Better get to 0 before you stop.
Wait, guys, we are here. There's the house.
Back up to 30. To 40? Dude.
I have 10 push-ups.
You gotta make it right. Oh, now you're down to 30.
I'm just here to enjoy the football game. I mean, baseball game. Here we go. There's a dog there.
10. Oh, he's back up to 20.
That's when you be able to catch it. Daddy, you could have just done this. You made me do something that was like that.
You can hit your glove. Down 10.
That's when you be able to catch
Alright, I got 10.
it.
Oh, Grayer, you're 20. That should be up to 30.
He's up to 30. Like, right now I'm sitting down. This is crazy. He's up to 39. Oh my god. He's up to 100.
Lay down.
Woo!
Down to 10. Can he get down to 0?
No, I touched it, so now it's
her. Now you're 20. There we go. To 10. Here we go. To 0.
Now you have to do 2 push-ups.
Want to take a break now when you're at 0?
Why does he have to, when he catches it, why does he go down?
Because if he misses it, he's got it, and it hits his glove and falls out, then he's got to do 10 push-ups. But if he catches it, then it's minus 10 push-ups.
So that equals take away. Whoop!
Down.
I'm watching close.
Now.
You guys are sitting down.
Oh, he's at 10.
No, that's a bit too high.
It hit your glove. You should have still caught it. Hey, don't hit him. It did hit your glove. Riggs. Here, heel. Stay down. Now he's down to 0. Throw it. Oh, now he's back up to 10.
I was wondering if
Yo, right.
he won't catch it.
Not 9 feet tall, right?
Okay, guys, so right now
Oh,
I am
20.
sitting down, and it's a nice day out, and now I'm walking. So when it's lunchtime, I'm gonna have a picnic outside.